I am the facility manager at Belle Haven Country Club in Alexandria, Virginia. We're in a multi-purpose, high-end private club facility in a very strategic location in the Washington, D.C. area. The Dude Solutions team has been excellent, really highly motivated, immediate response. If it's a telephone call, you get somebody on the phone immediately that's there to take care of whatever your challenge is, and it hasn't failed me yet.
Prior to Dude Solutions, we oftentimes just used face-to-face interactions, just a telephone call, quick email.
It's taken us away from pen and paper and telephone and email and gotten us into the 21st century in terms of how we deliver on our maintenance procedures, preventative maintenance, predictive maintenance. All of that has been really just taken into a new realm.
Dude Solutions has greatly enhanced our daily operations. We can instantaneously find out about problems and communicate to somebody to get them taken care of.
I found that the use of tablets with the Maintenance Edge really puts both ends of the maintenance spectrum in direct communication with one another so that we all know what's going on together all the time. If they need help, we can provide it. If they need help, we can provide it. We all know exactly what's going on from administration on down to the guys that are actually turning the wrenches. So it's been really, really good in terms of that instant gratification of knowing where your people are and what they're doing and how the projects are going.
For me, Dude Solutions definitely makes a difference in my daily operation. A, it's incredibly intuitive. B, I'm definitely very easily able to follow up. And C, we can be sure that whatever I'm sending is going to the right person and is seen by the right person.
We have been able to justify new equipment, and we've been able to adjust our labor costs because of Dude Solutions, because of the nature of how quickly we can take care of things. We find that we're able to do it with less, which means that we can spend more on some of our other solutions.
I would recommend Dude Solutions to any facility. It just makes life a lot easier.
I would highly recommend Dude Solutions. Great company, excellent support, the best service you can find, really terrific.